Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, today I'm going to do a little bit of an experiment. I'll give you a bit of backstory. I'm going to be using this hazelnut pot. If you've watched my videos before, you'll have seen this. Very pretty little pot. And, right, I will tell you the story now. Getting ahead of myself here. I was cleaning out well, I call it my cereal and baking cupboard. And I found a bag of granola, right? So I had a look at the date. I thought, I don't even remember buying that. I looked at the date and it was 2021. I thought, there's no way I'm eating that. And then, of course, like you do, I thought, oh, I wonder if it'll go in resin. So I've looked at the ingredients and I can't, apart from the oil, but I mean, I've used pot pourri in resin before and it's been months and it's still been all right. So the palm oil should be okay. Honey, I don't know, but I'm going to stick it in some resin in this pot and see what happens. All right, so I'm just going to get my resin mixed up and then I'll be back with you. I'm using, if you can see that, Let's Resin epoxy resin today, and I've poured out some of my oh god, I can't remember the name of it. I can't retain it. Granola. I've emptied out some of the granola and I've removed the raisins. Now some of them are in quite big bits. Kind of a bit worried that they'll not fit in. I'm going to pop, excuse my arm, I'm going to pop a bit of this glitter in, Angel Whispers by Hunky Dory. Just going to pop a little bit. Don't want it too glittery. That's plenty. And I'm wondering, do I put the granola in the resin? Or, yeah, perhaps or just in there and pour the resin on top. About 10,000 bubbles, I would imagine, caused by that. Right, I think what I'll do is I'll pop a bit of granola into a separate pot and we'll do it in little bits because I don't know how much resin this is going to take. Let's have a look at that. Now I know it's been done before, food in resin. I wanted to try it for myself, that's all. And like I say, we all do it, don't we? We find something and we think, oh, I wonder what that looks like in resin. And you've just got to try it. Like I say, I think I've got all the raisins out. Right, I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to pop you on fast forward, okay? It's filled up now, and as you can see, I've put my fingers on the inside of the mould and on the outside, and I've just pressed my fingers together and crushed any big bits because I didn't want it misshapen. It's a very, very pretty mould, this, and I just didn't want it all misshapen. So I'm just checking it now. I'm just going round and making sure that it's a normal shape. Right, there's the lid, and all I'm going to do now is tidy up because I made a real mess. And just let it cure. It's on a heat mat, it's on a levelling table, and I will be back when it's cured and we'll see if it's worked. Bye for now. Right, it's all cured now, so let's have a look. And it didn't explode, which is wonderful, because you just never know, do you? Putting food in resin. If I remember rightly, it's kind of difficult to demold this. Get my dotting tool. Oh heck. I'll speed you up for this because I can see I'm going to be here for a long time. There we go. I don't know quite what to say about that. It's slightly misshapen because there was one bigger bit that was just pushing the mould out. Need some trimming up to do there. Right, let's have a look at the sorry, just let's put this the right way. Let's have a look at the lid. Some trimming up to do there. Oh, it's just broken off. That's good. Oopsie daisy, I left a raisin in. We've got a raisin in it. Hey, now does it? Oh, it fits. I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. It's probably not showing on camera, but you can see all the glitter. It's very nice. Now, the test is, will it last? Or will it all mould and rot inside? What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this on my desk, and every month we'll probably have an update on it, see if it's the same. But that's kind of sweet. I like it. And I didn't have to waste, well, I didn't have to waste some of my granola by chucking it in the bin. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it. It's resin with food in. Right, anyway, I'll take some photos, get some nice photos of it. It is a lovely little pot, that, and unusual, it's got a granola in it. Anyway, this will be airing on Christmas Eve, so I'd just like to say, everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a merry Christmas. And for those that don't celebrate Christmas, just have a wonderful week. Thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.